had the amplifiers, Marantz Special Edition, PM40 SE, and it didn't have sound on one of the channels. So basically what you do, if sound is distorted or it's no sound, you get in something like this, it's deoxidizer. Virtually you're going into switch of your amplifier, disconnected from power, you're going into every of your potentiometers, so you go in that one, in all of those switches, and virtually in that switch, because that switch for your CDs, it's switching your inputs, so it's good to spray it into that as well. That's sometimes it oxidizing as well. So I did that, waited for about 5 minutes, and there we go. So we've got good sound.